Today, we are solving WASSCE June 2023 question 11a. This is an angles of depression question involving two buildings. From the top, B, of a building 320 meters high, the angles of depression of the top, M, and bottom, W, of another building are 29 degrees and 41 degrees, respectively. The word respectively means the angle of depression to the top of the other building is 29 degrees, and the angle of depression to the bottom is 41 degrees. The two buildings are on the same horizontal ground. We are asked to draw a diagram and calculate the height of the other building correct to the nearest meter. Angle of depression. So this simplifies to equals angle measured downward from a horizontal line. Angle of depression equals corresponding angle. Of elevation. Tan of theta equals opposite over adjacent. First, draw the first building as a vertical line. Let Y be the foot of the building and B be the top. The height of this building is 320 meters, so length of BY equals 320 meters. Now draw the horizontal ground line. The bottom of the other building is W. The question says the building's on the same horizontal ground, so Y and W lie on the same horizontal line. Now draw the second building vertically upward from W. Let M be the top of that building. The height of the other building is length of MW, and this is what we need to find. 41 degrees. Angle BWY equals 41 degrees. (29 degrees). XM is parallel to YW. Length of XM equals length of YW. First, draw the horizontal ground line and mark the starting points from the problem statement. Next, draw the vertical pole from the foot on the ground. The pole is perpendicular to the ground. Join the observer to the top of the pole and mark the given angle of elevation and distance. Now place the other point on the pole and draw the second line of sight with its given distance. Finally, label all the points clearly so the finished diagram matches the question. This is the completed diagram. Now we can calculate the height of the other building. We first use triangle YBW to find the horizontal distance between the two buildings. With respect to the 41 degrees, angle at W, length of BY equals 320 meters is opposite, and length of YW is adjacent. So we use tangent. Using tangent, we write tan of 41 degrees equals length of BY over length of YW. So the horizontal distance between the two buildings is 368.1183 meters. Tan of 41 degrees equals length of BY over length of YW. Tan of 41 degrees equals 320 over length of YW. Length of YW tan of 41 degrees equals 320. Length of YW equals 320 over tan of 41 degrees. Continue the aligned calculation. The next steps are shown one line at a time. Now we use triangle BMX. This triangle involves the top of the other building. The horizontal distance, length of XM, is equal to length of YW. So, length of XM equals 368.1183 meters. The length of BX, is the vertical difference between the top of the first building and the top of the second building. Be careful, length of BX is not the height of the other building. With respect to the 29 degrees angle at M, length of BX is opposite and length of XM is adjacent. So the vertical difference between the two building tops is 204.0515 meters. Tan of 29 degrees equals length of BX over length of XM. Tan of 29 degrees equals length of BX over 368.1183. Length of BX equals 368.1183 tan of 29 degrees. Length of BX equals 204.0515 meter cedars. If this explanation is helping, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now consider this step. Don't forget to like and subscribe. The first building has total height. Length of BY equals 320 meters. The part above the top of the other building is length of BX equals 204.0515 meters. So the height from the ground up to the same level as M is length of XY equals length of BY, length of BX. Since XM is horizontal, point X is at the same height as M. Therefore, the height of the other building, length of MW, is equal to length of XY. Length of BY equals length of BX plus length of XY. Length of XY equals length of BY, length of BX. Length of XY equals 320 meters sinus 204.0515. Length of XY equals 115.9485 meter cedars. Length of MW equals length of XY equals 115.9485 meter cedars. $115.9485 meter cedars. 115.9485 goes to 116. The question asks for the answer correct to the nearest meter. Since the decimal part is greater than 0.5, we round up to 116. Therefore, the height of the other building is 116 meters, correct to the nearest meter. The final answers are Part 1, the diagram shown, and Part 2, the height of the other building is 116 meters. This framed result is the final answer for the question. To summarize, from triangle length of YW equals 320 over tan of 41 degrees length of YW equals 368.1183 meters, the key equations are shown on the screen. To summarize, Length of XM equals length of YW equals 368.1183 meters. The key equations are shown on the screen. Length of XY equals length of BY, length of BX. Length of XY equals 320 meters setercinus, 204.0515. Length of XY equals 115.9485 meters seterceters. Length of MW equals length of XY. Continue the aligned calculation. The next steps are shown one line at a time. Exam tip. Use the larger angle to the lower point. Length of BX not equal to height of the other building. Height of other building equals 320 meters setercinus length of BX. Draw the diagram carefully. Convert depression angles to elevation angles. Subtract the vertical difference. Don Prime T, forget to like and subscribe for more.